Hey there, welcome back to Knowledge Hub. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of trains, exploring their monumental impact on transportation and industrial development throughout history. From revolutionizing the movement of people and goods to catalyzing economic growth on a global scale, trains have shaped the way we connect and thrive as societies. So, buckle up as we uncover 5 captivating facts about trains that will leave you amazed and intrigued. Trains have indeed been revolutionary in transforming transportation. With the advent of steam locomotives in the early 19th century, the world witnessed a significant leap forward in the efficiency and speed of moving both people and goods across vast distances. This innovation laid the groundwork for the expansive rail networks we see today, facilitating economic growth and urbanization as cities and regions became increasingly interconnected. Moreover, the proliferation of rail networks sparked a wave of economic development and urbanization. As trains provided faster and more reliable transportation options, previously isolated regions were seamlessly integrated into the broader economy, fostering trade, commerce, and cultural exchange. This transformative impact reshaped societies and landscapes, fueling unprecedented growth and laying the foundation for the modern interconnected world we inhabit. Trains come in a diverse array of types, each serving distinct purposes in the realm of transportation. Passenger trains, for instance, provide vital connections between cities and regions, offering travelers varying levels of comfort and speed to suit their needs. On the other hand, freight trains play a crucial role in the global economy by transporting essential goods such as raw materials and manufactured products across vast distances, supporting industries and supply chains worldwide. Additionally, specialized trains cater to specific transportation needs in urban and suburban areas. Commuter trains, subways, and light rail systems are designed to efficiently move large volumes of passengers within densely populated areas, providing essential links for daily commuters and enhancing urban mobility. Each type of train serves a unique function in the broader transportation ecosystem, contributing to the seamless movement of people and goods across diverse landscapes and regions. Railway infrastructure forms the backbone of the rail network, encompassing various essential components that ensure the smooth operation of trains. Tracks, comprising rails, ties, and ballast, form the fundamental structure on which trains travel, providing stability and support across vast distances. However, the upkeep of this infrastructure is paramount to maintaining safety and efficiency within the railway system. Regular inspections, repairs, and upgrades are necessary to address wear and tear, prevent accidents, and optimize performance. Moreover, railway infrastructure extends beyond tracks to include switches, signals, and stations, each playing a critical role in facilitating the movement of trains. Switches enable trains to transition between different tracks, allowing for routing flexibility and efficient traffic management. Signals communicate vital information to train operators, indicating track conditions, speed limits, and safety instructions. Stations serve as key points of departure and arrival, providing passengers with access to trains and amenities. Together, these components form a complex network that ensures the seamless operation of railway systems worldwide. Trains have been instrumental in driving industrialization, particularly during the era of the Industrial Revolution. As the world transitioned to mass production and rapid urbanization, trains emerged as a critical means of transporting essential resources, finished goods, and labor. They played a pivotal role in connecting resource-rich areas to urban centers and export hubs, facilitating the efficient movement of raw materials from mines and agricultural regions to manufacturing plants and ports for exportation. This connectivity fueled the expansion of industries such as mining, manufacturing, and agriculture, laying the foundation for sustained economic growth and development. Moreover, the advent of trains revolutionized supply chains and logistics, allowing industries to scale operations and reach new markets previously inaccessible by traditional modes of transportation. With the ability to transport goods over long distances quickly and efficiently, trains became indispensable in supporting the burgeoning industrial economy. The widespread adoption of railways not only transformed local economies, but also contributed to the globalization of trade and commerce, fostering interconnectedness between regions and nations and shaping the modern world as we know it. The evolution of train technology has been nothing short of remarkable, spanning centuries of innovation and engineering prowess. Initially powered by steam locomotives during the industrial era, trains have undergone significant transformations to become the modern marvels of transportation we see today. Advancements in propulsion systems, including the transition from steam to diesel and electric engines, have revolutionized train efficiency, enabling smoother acceleration, higher speeds, and reduced environmental impact. Moreover, modern trains boast aerodynamic designs that minimize air resistance, further optimizing speed and energy efficiency while enhancing passenger comfort. In addition to propulsion and design improvements, trains have also seen significant advancements in safety and communication technologies. From automatic braking systems to sophisticated signaling systems, these innovations ensure safe and reliable operation, mitigating the risk of accidents and enhancing overall passenger security. Furthermore, ongoing research and development in environmental sustainability have led to the adoption of cleaner and more efficient fuel sources, reducing carbon emissions and minimizing the ecological footprint of train travel. As a result, today's trains represent the pinnacle of technological achievement in transportation, embodying a harmonious balance between innovation, performance, and environmental stewardship. Thanks for joining us as we explored these 5 fascinating facts about trains. Trains remain a cornerstone of transportation, embodying innovation and progress while shaping economies, societies, and landscapes worldwide. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. Until next time, happy travels.